Hey, it's Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory. As many of you know, we are a full-service dental laboratory, and one of our goals is, of course, to provide the best restorative outcome for you and your patients, along with other lab services that we provide. But we also want to be your educational partner. We don't just want to take an order and send you something back. We want to be your partner ongoing to help you better yourselves and your practice. That's why we also provide a bunch of educational content on our website, on our social media, and one of those is the Info Bites. Now, what is Info Bites? Typically, it's a shorter video that really gets right to the point on maybe it's a restorative protocol, could be a new technology out, or maybe some new service that we're offering. And right now, we have about 60 of these out there, these Info Bites. And again, most of them are educational because we want to help you, help your patients, and help your practice. So check out the Info Bites. We're always going to be adding new ones. Again, sometimes educational content, restorative protocols, surgical protocols, or just to say, hey, this is a new technology and we are here to offer it to you. So please check us out on our website, the Info Bites on our socials, and become a total partner with ROE, not just restorations, but with the education as well. Thank you.